Skirt. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of the vlog. Today we're going to go ahead and replace a driver's side axle on a 2011 Nissan Versa, and I'm going to show you how. First, remove the hubcap, if you have one. Got some new twisty boys with it too. As you can see, there's a cotter pin right in the middle, and I believe that axle nut is I'm not really sure what size that is, but we're gonna find out. Even if you're only doing one side, I like to lift up both sides of the car, just because it just releases the tension of the suspension. It might just be in my head, but it's just a habit that I have. Alrighty, my friend, your time to shine. Check this motherfucker out, though. So happy I got this thing. So fucking happy. Alright, get that cotter pin off. It's pretty easy to just kind of... Oh shit, maybe it's not that easy. You just bend it straight and then pull it out. There we go. Now pull that motherfucker out. Preferably with like a pliers. I was just too lazy to get mine. Alright, I'm gonna go get it right now. Alright, and then you just pop this dude off. Alright, so I went ahead and I popped this one off too. We just popping everything out in this big. For the tie rod end, I go ahead and screw it a little bit back on and just lightly tap it this way you're not fucking up threads. Alright. Yep, I did it. One and done. Alright, next we're going to take off the hub bolts. Alright. Finally got these things off. I literally had to stand on my breaker bar so I could get some type of movement, and then finish it off with this guy right here. In case you guys are wondering, these are 21 millimeters, or a 13/16 works really good. So now that all that stuff is free, you're able to pull the hub out and get the axle out of the hub. I turned it this way, kind of towards the back of the car, and tapped the axle from the bottom, and then it just slid out pretty good. So now go ahead and get like a pry bar or something and pry it from the transmission. You guys, we're underneath the car right now, and as you can see, there's the axle right there. So you're gonna pry this motherfucker out. Hang on. Hold on, let me put the camera down. Oh shit. Alright, so assembly is pretty much reverse order. You're gonna drop a little bit of transmission fluid, but that's completely normal. So should be good to go. Now we're just buttoning it up.
This is just the world we made. No castle but a place we name. Cause one day we'll be the kings. But for now, feel this moment. I don't wanna let this time go by. Take it slowly. Got nowhere else to be tonight. You're not only.
Alright, that's another job in the books. Hope you learned a little bit. Looks like that'll do it for today. Catch you on the next one.